Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a super cool case today. This particular patient came into our practice with a full upper denture, and then her lower teeth were worn all the way to the gum line. So I want to show you how we approached the case with some creativity and walk you through the before and after. So take a look at that. This is pretty crazy, right? We have the existing full upper denture, and then we have the lower teeth that are very, very worn down. So you can actually see the teeth are just barely above the gum line right there, okay? And then this is the after. So this is after we made a brand new full upper denture. So this particular case was really fun to work on because the patient was okay with us getting a little bit creative. One of our core values in our practice is success in the sandbox, and what that means to me is trying creative solutions for the patient that are specific to the patient. So we're not doing the same thing for everyone. We're trying to find exactly a creative solution for that particular individual and leverage that by using all the skills that we have to make a really neat solution. So for this case, originally I was going to propose doing a full set of crowns on the lower teeth and a full upper denture. And we even talked about, a permanent denture or snap-on denture, but this patient was really happy with her current full upper denture, except it was very worn out. The teeth were all worn down, flat, and the lower teeth were also worn out as well. So I was like, hey, let's do lower crowns. We'll build them up. We'll do a full upper denture. But then we got thinking about it, and it was actually my financial coordinator, Christy, that looked into it and said, hey, well, why don't we think about doing some composite bonding on the lower teeth instead of the crowns? We could save the patient some money and also get a good result. And initially I remember saying no, but then after thinking about it for a minute, I said, actually, that'd be a really great idea because the full upper denture teeth are essentially a composite resin, like a version of plastic. And the lower teeth, if we put ceramic crowns on them, it'd destroy that denture really fast. So I said, let's match the materials and put composite bonding on the lower teeth and do the denture on the top. So we have similar materials biting against each other. And the result turned out fantastic. And we actually used our crown workflow. So I had my lab in Shasta Lake, Forster Dental Lab, wax up the lower arch. I actually made a surgical guide essentially out of some clear impression material that's clear. And then I drilled some holes in it and made a matrix for creating the, essentially transferring that wax up into the mouth. And what you'll see here is I actually went tooth by tooth to recreate the wax up in the patient's mouth. It took a couple hours. I think we scheduled most of the morning, but the crazy part about this whole case is I actually didn't use any dental anesthetic to do this whole case. I mean, the whole thing, no shots. Pretty cool. So if you take a look, it's pretty amazing. We increased the vertical. Once we finished the lower teeth, then we remade the upper teeth to match the lower teeth so that everything fit really well and the bite was great. And let me tell you, this patient is super happy. She has her bite restored. It was a painless process, relatively less expensive because we didn't do a whole bunch of crowns on the lowers. And overall, just everything worked out really well. So I was happy to get to be creative. Patient was happy. The fee was fair. And everybody seemed to be happy with the case. So let me know what you think. I want to hear from you. If you put a comment below the video, I'd love to hear what you think about how the case turned out. And, we'll just keep it going. If you're also liking seeing some of these cases, I'll do some more. We also have a whole bunch of them on our Instagram at nelsonfamily.dental. And then I have a whole denture part of my practice. So this has a denture. It's kind of both fields, regular dentistry and dentistry with dentures. So if you want to check that out, it's at denture.doctor on Instagram and our website, www.denture.doctor. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.